If you want to stop recurring charges on Yahoo Mail, follow these steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you cancel any unwanted subscriptions linked to your Yahoo account. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo account. Access your Yahoo Mail by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to log in successfully. Step 2. Navigate to account info. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Subscriptions. In the Account Info section, look for the Subscriptions option. Click on it to view all active subscriptions associated with your Yahoo account. Step 4. Review your subscriptions. Take a moment to review the list of subscriptions. Identify any that you no longer wish to continue. Make sure to check the details of each subscription for clarity. Step 5. Cancel unwanted subscriptions. Select the subscription you want to cancel and follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. Ensure you receive a confirmation of the cancellation to avoid future charges. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any recurring charges on your Yahoo Mail account. Always keep track of your subscriptions to avoid unwanted payments in the future.